Okay, let's get some light in here, see what's going on. So, next stage is I think the floor's ready to get some tacks on it. Looking at where the sill is, I've checked the quarter panel, it comes out far enough. What I don't want the floor is to be too far across, and that's pulling the sill under, and also then doesn't line up with the quarter panel. That looks good. Bit of a hole to fill here, but I can do that from underneath, just where the pattern panel doesn't really fit very nicely. That looking all good there. So what I'm going to do is get maybe a tack on it, and then what we'll do is start grinding along here like we did last time, and just making sure it drops in and fits nicely. And then once it all fits in there nicely, we can get some tack welds all the way along, making sure it's solid and in the right place. Check the front fitment, and then if that's all good, last few measurements, get a few spot welds on the door sills just to get it in, and then we can buzz along there with the weld and get it all welded up solid. And then we can look at the next section. So let's get some tacks on it and do some grinding along here. I'll explain, maybe I think I did last time, but I'll explain again what I was doing that side in a bit. Okay, I think I explained last time on the other side, but I'll do it again. I've got this all clamped up where it needs to be, so I know it doesn't need to go either way. It's in the thing. So what I need to do now is just grind this panel so it just drops in. So my silly way of doing it, bit of masking tape along, just there. Sometimes I use a masking tape to roughly cut it. But then what I can do is I can already see where it's dropping okay. I'm dropping down the gap already, so it's not a problem. So I just lean over. And I'm just putting a rough mark in the area I need to grind. And I'll grind that back just a little bit and see if it drops down a bit further. If it does, I'll move along until I get to the end. So hopefully you'll see me do that now without making too much mistakes. Okay, took a bit of grinding, but I think I'm pretty much there now. The floor, got a fairly even gap along there that I can weld along. So I'll have one more pause, quick drink, and get some tacks on it. I might just have my lunch first though. Just in case I can think of anything I'm supposed to be doing next. But yeah, and then get some tacks on it. After lunch, get this thing all solid. Wow, brilliant. Okay, just stuck my ping meal in, so I've got 4 minutes into my curry, so let's get some spot welds on this. Okay, got some spot welds on that. Plug welds I mean, or whatever, tacks. Just gonna have my lunch, and then what I'll do is I'll put a few spot welds, I think, just along the door step and sill, because then I can then try the door shutter and make sure that door still keeps shutting because obviously before we go too much further, I need to double check that. Alright, let me go get some lunch. Sainsbury's, not Sainsbury's, Co-op microwave chicken korma. That's all they had. Keep me warmed up in here. Okay, curry gone. Alright, so what I do is got some tacks along there, on the back. I think the next thing to do is get some spot welds on this doorstep, and then I can just double check the door fit again before we go too much further, in case it sets off any alarm bells. And then then what we do, just get some more welds on the floor, I think. Yeah, and try and tap the front down just so it meets nicely. Or redraw the subframe points at some point as well. Alright, let's get some spot welds. Everyone loves a spot welder. Right, there you go. Door won't shut. So, see what's going on. Okay, I just unclamped the rear quarter panel and the door shuts alright. So we must remember when we do the rear quarter panel is to try and have the door shut as much as we can, because obviously just putting this quarter panel on and just clamp it on with a few clamps was twisting a little bit. So yeah, obviously it shows my bracing's no good really, but we have to make do with what we got. So that's something to remember. So yeah. Also, I'm still not 100% about this door. This door is so rotten, especially down the hinge panel. I don't know how much of it's savable. But yeah, door skins arrived the other day, so I've got those ready. So nearly got all the panels left now, depending on what we need for the doors. I'm okay. So let's leave it there for now. I think I've done much. So I've got the spot welds on. Floor's tacked in. Just needs pushing down at the front there with a nice gentle persuading tool. And then we get some more welds and weld the whole floor pan in properly. Then we can start on the rear subframe point and the cross member and the door pocket, rear door pocket, even though they don't have doors. Got too much to do. Alright, till next time.